Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 29 May 2021. Here this is the function or a method print alarm timing. This function or method accepts three arguments: start time, end time and the interval x. The program must print the factory alarm sound indicating the time slot of the workers with the interval of x each and every x minutes. Here this is 9:15 as a starting time, 17:30 as an ending time with the interval of 60 minutes. So the alarm has to run for the next 60 minutes till 17:30, right? It should be something like 10:15, 11:15, 12:15 because 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour interval, right? Same as we have to do the operation for start time 4 o'clock and end time 12:15 with the interval of 45 minutes. So first it will be 4:45, then 45 minutes will be 5:30, 6:15, 7 like that. Let's say in a programmatical way. Here this is the program they have given: start time, end time and the integer x. We have to typecast this character value into a integer value, so I'm taking integer start hour, start minute, start and end hour, end minute and end timing, and also I need some temporary timing. Okay, that's it. First we have to typecast this start hour, right? So they have given a input in the format of 0915. Let us assume this is nothing but 13, 15. So we have to get this 13, right? For that I have to get the value at the 0th position and I have to typecast this value with the integer value. For that I have to I have to subtract this character value with 0. If I subtract character 1 with character 0, we'll get something called 1, right? If I just remove 3 with 0, we'll get 3 because the ASCII values work like that. Printf %d %d comma character 0, character 1, character 2. Like if I run this program, you will get to know what just happening. For that I have to save this, right? Here this is the ASCII value of 0, 1 and 2. If we just subtract this value, we'll get the original value, right? 49 minus 48 will give you 1. That's what we are doing. So start hour equal to start time of 0 minus ASCII value of 0 into 10. The reason why I'm putting 10 there is it's string 13, right? Okay, it should be something like this. We have to get this value at first index in integer. So if I just remove if I just do something like this, 1 minus 0, it will give you something called integer 1, right? But we need if I add 3 with it, it will be something like 4, but we need 13, right? For that I am changing or typecasting this 10 1 as 10 by multiplying with 10, so it will be 10. If I add 3, it will become 13 plus start time of 1 minus 0. This will contain the start hour, start minute equal to the same. So I'm just copy pasting this value, but we have to change the index 3 and 4. The reason why I'm specifying 3 and 4 is because it should store the values like this: 1, 3, and there is a separator colon, and 4 and 5. So we have taken the 0th and 1 value, and this would be the 2 index. We need this 3 and 4, right? That's why I'm specifying 3 and 4 there. We have to do the same thing for end. End here also end. Is there any way to do the same, like do those things? And now we got the typecasted value. To check that, I'm going to print %d space with %d comma start hour, start minute, end hour, end minute. gcc main.c. I got something called an error. Yeah, this is printf, print only available in Python. Expector semicolon before this something. I think I have missing some open bracket. Is that the reason for my error? Yeah, I just missed the open braces here. That's the bug in this program. If I just run 1 2 3, we got something 30. Oh, sorry for that. I have to provide a proper input to check the output. $12, $15 and $17.45 with the interval 60. We'll get 12:15, 17:45. Yeah, our program is working fine. Now it's time to do something crazy. We have to iterate this for n time, right? That n value should be start equal to start hour into 60 plus start minute, end equal to end hour into 60 plus end minute. I'm just converting the whole timing into minutes, so we can easily get temp equal to end minus start by x. For int I equal to 0, I smaller than, okay, temp used for something else. I plus plus. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm just converting the whole value into minutes. So if I just subtracting the end and start, we'll get the interval time, like the whole time, and I'm just dividing with the interval, so we can get n times. Like in this case, printf percentage d percentage d percentage d comma start comma end comma n minus start by interval x. We'll get something expected like GCC, okay, main.c, and I'm passing the sample input from here. We got 555, 1050 and 8. This 8 is what we need. Like here in this sample output, we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 output, right? To get that 8, I'm doing this operation. Now temp should be something, temp equal to start plus interval x, because they have started from the given value plus interval as a first input. They are not starting with the start time. If temp smaller than or equal to end, printf, we don't need this condition actually, because it will work fine without this also. Percentage d is to percentage d comma temp by 60 temp modulo 60. By this we will get hour and minute. Those values should be separated by new line, right? Else break. So if I just pass the input, we got 10 15. This is because I forgot to increment the temp value. Now we got 10 15, 11 15, 12 15, 13 15 up to 17 15. That's what the expected output, right? 10 to 17 15. Now we have to check for 412 with 45 interval. We got something crazy, like it's we are getting the proper output but not in a proper format. Here this is something like 70, but we should have something 0700, right? To specify this format we have to add the filler and the number of time it should be filled, 0 2. Like if I just remove this 0, we will get empty spaces in that format. Oh, I have forgotten to save this. Sorry for that. Here we are getting space in the place of empty. Here this is a space 0, not a empty 0. But we need this value should be filled by 0, right? So if I specify 0 2D or 0 3D, here everything is 3-digited and the empty things are filled with zeros. Here we got 0 1 0 and 0 0 0, like that. But in this case we just need 2-digit value, right? So it's enough to put 0 2D. Yeah, save, compile, execute. Here this is what we need, 0445 to 1215. We got the proper output. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here is the code for your view. This is the segment we have to focus on it. We'll see you soon with something else guys. Till then, bye.